इतनी सारी चीज़ों में आप सर्वगुण संपन्न थी उस ज़माने में, when we're trying to be multitaskers these days.
Yes, I think in a lot of ways she embodies what today's Indian woman is. Someone who multitasked. She's someone who excelled in everything that she did. She was not just an amazing woman, she was not just an amazing warrior, but she was also an amazing lover, a nurturer, a mother, an amazing daughter. And even on the battlefield itself, she was the only woman who could sort of keep up with all the other men. She was the only woman amongst all these men when she went to fight. And in fact, there was one iconic war, which you'll see in the movie as well, where Bajirao and Mastani go together to war. So yes, and I think what also makes today very, very special is the fact that as we speak, Sanjay Leela Bhansali is on the last shot of the movie. So while they are there in Film City wrapping up the film, we're here unveiling the poster, and I do feel sort of emotional at this point because I think it's been a fantastic journey for all of us, and I speak, I think, on behalf of Ranveer, I speak on behalf of Priyanka, myself, and everyone else who's been involved with the film as actors or technically. It's been the most challenging film of our career so far, emotionally draining, physically draining, and so yes, I think right now it is a little bit of an emotional moment for us now that they're actually wrapping up the film over there, and we can't wait to share the experience with you on the 18th of December.
जानना चाहेंगे मस्तानी के इस मस्त कैरेक्टर के बारे में। आपके थ्रू अगर 2-3 पंक्तियों में हिंदी में आप कह सकें तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
आई थिंक सबसे पहले जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, वो सिर्फ एक वॉरियर नहीं थी बट एक नर्चरर भी थी, एक माँ थी, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली आई थिंक वॉट एवर शी वेंट थ्रू एज अ वुमन for the sake of love, because she was so in love with Bajirao that she sacrificed a lot of things to be able to be with him. I think as far as the film is concerned, I think ये सबसे बड़ा advantage है एक actor होने का कि through the films that you do हमें अलग अलग किरदार निभाने का मौका मिलता है, and especially a film like Mastani where I think it's been Sanjay sir's dream for the last 15 years to want to make this movie. And on one hand, I think I can get to be Piku. On one hand, I can get to be Tara from Tamasha. I can get to be Mastani from Bajirao and Mastani. I think that's the most amazing part about being an actor. And yes, of course, being an Indian contemporary, someone who belongs to this generation, it's only through the movies that I would have been able to go back in time into this era and into this century and experience what women of that time would have experienced or live the life that Mastani would have lived.